know how profoundly disheartening it is to feel like you're fighting a losing battle with your own skin. But the truth is, for many women over 30, this isn't about cleansing routines. It's a direct reflection of a complex hormonal symphony happening deep within your body. In fact, fluctuations in androgens, even subtle ones, can increase sebum production by up to 400%, creating the perfect environment for inflammatory acne to take hold. This type of acne is often deep, cystic, and painful, which is why it so frequently leads to scarring. When intense inflammation occurs deep within the dermis, your body's emergency response can trigger enzymes that degrade collagen and elastin, the very proteins that give your skin its structure and smoothness. This process, known as enzymatic degradation, is what creates the pitted texture and persistent discoloration long after the inflammation has subsided. But where does so much of this systemic inflammation originate? Increasingly, evidence points to a powerful connection known as the gut-skin axis. As research from leading institutions like the Mayo Clinic highlights, an imbalance in your gut microbiome can lead to increased intestinal permeability. This allows inflammatory compounds to enter your bloodstream, travel throughout your body, and ultimately manifest on your skin, exacerbating conditions like hormonal acne. In an effort to combat breakouts, many turn to harsh topical treatments. However, products containing high concentrations of stripping agents can compromise your skin's delicate lipid barrier. This natural shield is crucial for retaining moisture and protecting against external irritants. When this barrier is damaged, the skin can become dehydrated and even more inflamed, creating a vicious cycle of irritation that does little to address the underlying hormonal driver. Let's begin rebuilding from the outside in with a targeted, gentle approach. The goal is not to strip the skin, but to calm the surface inflammation and support its healing processes. One of the most well-researched botanical compounds for this is curcumin, the active component in turmeric. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe the redness and discomfort of active lesions. We can create a simple, effective mask by combining this with the right carrier. Here is a precise therapeutic preparation. Combine 1 level teaspoon of high-quality organic turmeric powder with 2 teaspoons of raw, unpasteurized honey. The honey is not just a binder, it is a natural humectant, drawing moisture to the skin, and possesses gentle antibacterial properties. Mix into a smooth paste. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. This can be done twice weekly to help manage surface inflammation and create a healthier skin environment. True, lasting change for hormonal skin must come from within. This involves addressing the systemic triggers of inflammation and providing your body with the specific building blocks it needs for repair. Let's focus on 3 powerful, actionable strategies. First, manage your blood sugar. High glycemic foods cause a rapid spike in insulin and insulin-like growth factor 1, or IGF-1, which directly stimulates androgen production and sebum. The solution is to swap high glycemic carbohydrates for low glycemic ones. For example, replace white rice with quinoa, and instead of a sugary cereal, opt for oatmeal with a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Second, incorporate specific anti-androgenic and antioxidant compounds. Green tea is exceptional here. Its primary polyphenol, EGCG, has been shown to modulate androgen activity at the cellular level. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of brewed green tea daily. Finally, you must ensure adequate intake of a key mineral for skin, zinc. Zinc is crucial for wound healing and regulating inflammatory responses. A 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds daily provides a significant portion of your needs. These internal strategies are not a quick fix. They are the fundamental architecture of building clear, resilient skin from the inside out.